Bake your way to the holidays with our delicious coffee cake recipe. Birthday cake Christmas tree. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best recipes and cooking tips. Today, we're going to share with you a special recipe that's perfect for holiday mornings, holiday coffee cake. This delicious cake is easy to make and will impress your friends and family with its festive flavors. So, let's get started. To make this holiday coffee cake, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 eggs. 1 cup sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup cranberries, fresh or frozen. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then, add the butter and mix until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, sour cream, and vanilla extract. Add this mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Fold in the cranberries and chopped walnuts. Pour half of the batter into a greased 9-inch baking pan. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar and cinnamon. Sprinkle half of this mixture over the batter. Pour the remaining batter on top and sprinkle with the remaining brown sugar mixture. Bake the coffee cake for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. And there you have it, a delicious and festive holiday coffee cake that's perfect for any holiday morning. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.